Hello, my name is Dariusz Dąbrowski, I am from ilabo. In ilabo we have developed PackOS, which is the state-of-the-art production monitoring software, OE, dynamic root cause analysis and much more. Thanks to PackOS, this kind of lines developed by U2 Robotics, for example, can be easily connected and monitored in our system. Let's jump into details. This is packaging line for cosmetics by U2 Robotics, and thanks to PackOS this line is connected and we are able to monitor each and every machine in this line, to monitor downtimes, count disgún and wasted items. But remember, those machines are not running separately. They are linked, composed into the line. So it is also important to know what is the root cause of the problem in the given moment of time. Root cause from the full line stoppage point of view. And this analysis is done automatically by PackOS. Why it is so important? Because it is all about the money. Money is saved thanks to eliminating those unexpected losses, performance losses, availability and quality losses.